In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a community group in WhatsApp Business. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can set up a space where your customers, clients, or members can easily stay updated and connected. I'll also share some helpful tips along the way to make sure your community is organized and professional. First, open your WhatsApp Business app and make sure you're on the main chats screen. It's a good idea to check that your app is updated to the latest version, because some community features may only appear with newer updates. Next, look for the option to create a new community. On most devices, you'll tap the three dots or the menu icon in the top corner, then select Communities. Inside this section, you should see an option like New Community or Create Community. Tap that to begin. Now you'll be asked to set up the basic details of your community. Enter a clear community name that matches your brand, organization, or purpose. Think of something your members will instantly recognize. Below that, add a short description that explains what this community is for, such as announcements, support, or exclusive updates. You may also have the option to add a community icon. Using your logo or a simple recognizable image helps make your space look more professional. Once those basics are set, you'll be prompted to add groups to your community. A WhatsApp community is usually made up of multiple groups, so you can either create new groups or link existing ones from your business account. For example, you might have one group for general announcements, another for VIP customers, and another for internal staff. Start by creating at least one group that will serve as your main announcement or discussion space. When you create or link a group, set its name and, if needed, its group description and settings. For announcement-only groups, you can limit who can send messages so only admins can post, which keeps things more organized and reduces noise for your members. After you've added the groups you need, review everything: your community name, description, icon, and the list of groups connected to it. When you're happy with the setup, confirm to create the community. From there, you can invite members by sharing the invite link or adding them directly, depending on how you prefer to manage access. Take a moment to send a welcome message explaining how the community works, what members can expect, and any basic rules. And that's how you create a community group in WhatsApp Business.